his favourite mug behind. Whew, that was close. We'll keep it safe and return it to him later.
Let's tidy up while Pip puts our clay in the kiln. Watch this. Yeah!
Goal! Good one, Cuán. Watch this. Goal again!
Ah, my turn. Aw.
My turn again.
Oh no!
Oh, I can't eat the meat.
It's broken. Can we fix it?
Oh, I guess when a mug is brishte, it's not as easy to dish you. What will I do? Is Faiderling.
I know. What if we make Banba a new mug?
Yeah, great idea.
Rylan!
Banba. Tá brónarm, but
Tá sé briste. We're really sorry, Banba.
It was an accident. We tried to fix it.
but it was too hard to dish.
So we made you a new mug and filled it with your favourite smoothie.
Tá sé go hiantach gur míle maithagaí. Huh?